How to change name on Facebook. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change name on Facebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook account right here. By the way, don't skip any steps because you will miss everything once you have missed it. So just click on these three lines right here. This is your menu. Then after that, you can just click on this gear icon or also just click on the settings right here in order to proceed to your settings. So just click on this gear icon. And as you can see, this is my settings and privacy. So if I want to change my name, what I need to do is just click on this account center right here. So previously, the change name is on the profile, but as you can see, because of this meta, it actually moved over here. So let's click on it. And then from in there, you can see your profiles. So click on your profiles right here. And then from in there, you can see your profiles. So let's click our profile on Facebook, which is this. So let's click on it. Then from in there, you can see your name. So click on name right here. And then from in here, you can change your first name and also your last name, but make sure that it is spelled right because you can change it again after 6 days. After that, you can just review the change. So for example, I will just add in a new name, then click on review change. Then as you can see, it will show me a preview of my name. It can be a first name first or last name first, and then I can just save what changes and that will be saved. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change name on Facebook. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.